In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Gmail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to fill in, so your important people are just a click away the next time you compose an email. Start by opening Gmail and signing in if you're not already. Once you're in your inbox, look over to the right side of the screen. You'll see a slim vertical sidebar with small icons stacked on top of each other. Among those icons, find the one for contacts. It usually looks like a person's silhouette. Click that icon to open your contacts panel without leaving Gmail, which is great if you're working through emails and want to save someone quickly. Inside that panel, look for the option that says Create Contact. Go ahead and click it. This opens a simple form where you can add all the key details for this person. Start with their name so it displays the way you want in your inbox. If it's helpful, add their company to keep work contacts organized in your mind. Next, enter their email address carefully. This is the most important piece for Gmail, since it lets you auto-complete their address when you write a message. You can include a phone number if you want to have it handy, and you'll also see fields for a birthday and other optional details. Use these fields to add context you'll appreciate later, like a job title or a note about how you met. Take a moment to double-check what you've typed. Make sure the email address is spelled correctly and that any numbers or dates are accurate. If you're adding someone you message often, using their full name and a clear company name can make searching faster in the future. If you don't have every detail right now, that's totally fine. Add what you have, and you can always come back to fill in more later. When you're happy with the information, click Save. That's it. Your new contact is now stored, and Gmail will recognize it when you start typing their name or email in the To, CC, or BCC fields. This small step saves time, reduces the chance of mistyped addresses, and helps keep your inbox workflow smooth. If you're setting up several contacts, it can be efficient to add them one after another while the panel is open. And remember, keeping names consistent, like using full names for colleagues, makes searching and sorting easier down the road. You've just learned how to add contacts in Gmail quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.